lesson is on verbal reasoning type or word pairs. Okay, I've got these pairs of words on the board, and they have a relationship, okay, between them. And the second word has been formed from the letters from the beginning, from the first word. So for us to form this one, there is a pattern, and we have to use that same pattern there for us to find the second word. But as you can see on the board, they all have ASH at the end. They all have that word ash. So which means on here I need to use the 3-letter word as well at the end. So the 3 letters at the end of the first of the first word and the second word as well. Okay, now I need to find my first letter. So I'll see the pattern. I have got a C and a D. If I add 1 from the alphabet, if I add 1 letter from C, that will be D. So let's see if that works there. +1. Yes, F to G. So which means I'm adding +1 on S as well. So that will give me a T. So my word will be tape. So which means you add 1 to the first letter. So our pattern is add 1 to the first letter, and keep the last 3. The last 3 letters. Okay, so you add 1 to the first letter and you keep the last 3. Let's look at this on here. On here, the pattern is slightly different because we don't have a pattern when they are the same at the end. So we need to work out the pattern on here. So what you will do is give them label this, give them numbers so that at least it's easier for us to see which one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which means R is 1, E is 2. That is 1 as in the position it is. 1 is in the first letter of the word, and 2 in the second letter of the word. Okay, 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this tells me only these numbers I've given them to tell me the position of the letter on the word. So this position is position 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to see, to work out the pattern for us to find this word on the first word, so that we can use that same pattern for us to use on this one to make a word. Okay, so let's see. R5, I'll use this one first and see if that works. And on here, which is R, which is E. Okay, so I need to make these 2 words. Okay, then if I use 4, which is I, 4, which is R. If I use, so which means I've got my RI, which is RI on here. Okay, let me write all the, okay. Then T, which is 3. T, okay, 3. So T, 3. 3. 3, which is A as well. Then E, 6. E, 6. 6, which is S. So you can see the pattern 5, 4, 3, 6 position of the letters. It gives me this word, which is eras, and it gives me right. So which means that's the pattern. So I'm using 5, 4, 3, 6. So let's label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my 5 is D. My 4 is I. My 3 is C. And my 6 is E. So the word will be dice. So I've used the numbers on here so that it's easier for me to locate the position of the letter. So you can see if that works there. So 5, 4, 3, 6 works with there, works there, and works there to form the second word. As usual, you've got a worksheet at the end of the video. Practice that worksheet. Send in your work through the details at the end of the video for marking and feedback.